In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a simple image into a fully animated butterfly. Let's get started. First, import your butterfly image into After Effects and drag it into a new composition, making sure the composition settings match the size of your image for proper alignment. Now we need to separate the wings. Select the layer, choose the pen tool, and carefully mask one wing. Duplicate the layer and repeat the masking process for the second wing, so both wings are isolated and can animate independently. After that, enable the 3D layer switch for both wings so we can animate them on the Y-axis for a realistic flap effect. Open the transform properties and add a keyframe to Y rotation. Then move forward again and bring the rotation back to 0 to complete one full flap cycle. To make the animation continuous, hold Alt and click on the rotation stopwatch, then type loopOut, so the wing flapping repeats automatically. Finally, animate the position property with a subtle up and down movement to simulate natural flying. Preview your animation and adjust the timing if needed. Subscribe for more creative animation tutorials and keep learning.